Hi there, Perella Lewis. We're getting some much needed rainfall, which is great news with what I'm calling round one. We've got round two on the way, and with that is going to come some pretty gusty winds, and that has prompted our first wind advisory of the fall season. You ready? Boom. Let's get right to it. We've got a wind advisory in effect for the north and central coast, also for San Juan County. This is all until 11 o'clock tomorrow night, but that might need to be extended by the National Weather Service. We shall see. Here's a look at some of our top wind gusts today. So you can see across the wildfires, it was breezy, but as you take a look at the northern part of the coast and even into parts of the North Sound, it was downright windy. Look at these wind gusts expected tomorrow. Now, tomorrow morning is actually going to be dry. So if you need to get out and run some errands, get out tomorrow morning, because it's going to be in the afternoon and evening that the rainfall begins to pick up, and so do these winds. My main concern is going to be spotty power outages. I do think that's possible for some, especially with all of the wind and rain for the North Coast, but the North Sound, that will be possible as well. So stay tuned.